Okay, we got the old Sun Distributor Tester, and we want to check our readings to make sure we're in spec here. Now, I have a distributor in here right now just to kind of hold the machine in place, or hold the chuck in place, because it bounces around when you don't have a distributor in there. It is set up to this calibrating box that my friend Opera made for me, and you can see it's set for 60 hertz at a 50% duty cycle. Now this machine is hooked up to the two leads that would normally go to the distributor, and you can see the duty cycle, or what it's showing is 22.5, which is half of 45 degrees of dwell on a 8-lobe distributor. So we're going to turn this on and see what it gets us. So what we should get is arrows showing here at certain RPMs. So at 450 RPM, we should have 8 arrows showing. At 900 RPM, we should have 4 arrows showing. And at 1800 RPM, we should have 2 arrows showing, or something close to it. So this is still a work in progress, but we're going to start this thing rotating here. So now you can see the arrows. I got it running about 300 RPM here. We're gonna slowly bring it up. It's not a brand new machine. There's 450. Let's kind of get back close to it. So I don't know if you can see the arrows. I could see them. They're not showing very good on the phone here from what I'm seeing. Try to get it balanced out here. But we are at about 450. We are at now staying at approximately 450. Let's see how many arrows we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 arrows. So it's 8 arrows showing at 450, and that's what it should be. So now we're going to crank it up to 900 RPM. We should have 4 arrows. And here we are about, again, it's hard, they're not coming through real good on the phone camera. I'm losing them, but they are there. I don't know why they're not showing. There's one. They're reappearing now. So it's 1, 2, right here, trying to come back, 3, and 4. For some reason, I don't know why, but we're not seeing shown very well. It's about 900 RPM. And then at 18, there should be 2 arrows. It's close to 18. What do you know? There's 1. I don't know why it's not showing very well on the camera. But I do have 2 arrows. There's 1, and there's the second one rotating around again. There's 1. There's 2 arrows, so I'm going to bring it back down again. And it shows like it's supposed to. So that's a pretty good thing here. Now you can see the arrows like crazy. And that's something. You put the dwell flash on, you can see more arrows. So That concludes the test of the distributor Sun machine here that's been retrofitted with all new electronics. Again, courtesy of Mr. Opera on YouTube. Thanks for watching.